Have you ever felt overwhelmed by emotions at crucial moments? Or wondered how to turn anxiety into the strength of confidence? Don't worry, you're not alone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Vector, where today we will explore effective emotion management secrets, a golden strategy to boost your confidence and live the life you've always dreamed of. Emotions are not something you need to suppress, but something you can master. When you know how to control your emotions, you will feel an immense power from within. Confidence is not just a mental state, but a skill that anyone can develop. Join us as we explore simple yet powerful strategies to master your emotions and build confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting tips. Let's get started. Part 1. Understanding emotions. Welcome to the colorful world of emotions. Have you ever wondered why you can feel extreme joy from a slice of cake and then feel sad because there's none left? That's the power of emotions. Simply put, emotions are our natural responses to the world around us. They are signals sent from our body to our brain, like a way of saying, "Hey, what's happening here?" From joy, sadness, anger, to happiness, each emotion has its role. You know, without emotions, our lives would be as dull as a movie without drama. And here's the fun part. Emotions are not just something that happens to you, but also affect those around you. Imagine you are a ball of emotions, and everyone you meet is a light tap. Bam! Emotions spread like waves. According to psychologists, understanding emotions is the first step to managing them. You don't need to suppress your emotions like cramming a pizza into the fridge. Enjoy them, understand them, and then you'll know how to adjust them accordingly. So, start exploring your emotional world. Don't worry if your emotions feel like an abstract painting. It's this diversity that makes life exciting and colorful. Part 2. Techniques for managing emotions. Welcome to the most exciting part. Techniques for managing emotions. Yes, you can become a Jedi Master in controlling your emotions without traveling to a distant planet. First up, we have deep breathing techniques. This isn't just the breathe evenly advice from doctors, it's genuinely effective. When you breathe deeply, you're sending signals to your brain that, hey, everything's all right, and it helps you reduce stress instantly. Try inhaling slowly through your nose for 4 seconds, holding your breath for 4 seconds, then exhaling slowly through your mouth for 4 seconds. Do this a few times, and you'll feel like you're lying on a beach, even if you're just in your living room. Next, keep a journal of your emotions. It may sound cheesy, but it helps you better understand what you're experiencing. Write everything down. What made you happy today? What annoyed you? Or what made you laugh out loud? Journaling not only helps you track your emotions, but also serves as a way to de-stress when needed. Sometimes, seeing your emotions on paper makes them feel lighter. And finally, don't forget meditation. Don't worry if you can't sit still for the first 5 minutes. This takes practice. Meditation helps you control your thoughts, focus on the present, and create a mind as peaceful as a gentle stream. So now, you know a few techniques to manage emotions. Start practicing today and see the positive changes in your life. Remember, emotions are your companions, not your enemies. Part 3. Boosting confidence. Welcome to the next part of our journey, boosting confidence. Did you know confidence is one of the most powerful weapons to achieve anything you desire, from a successful interview to a perfect date? Confidence is not something you're born with, but something you can build and nurture every day. Imagine you are an airplane, and confidence is the engine that helps you take off and soar high. Start by setting small goals. Like aiming for the peak of a mountain, you first need solid steps. Achieving small goals will make you feel like you're progressing and creating greater motivation. Make it a habit to share your thoughts and opinions, whether in class, at work, or with a group of friends. Expressing yourself genuinely will help you boost your confidence every day. Don't underestimate the power of words. Tell yourself that you can achieve anything. Positive affirmations will give you mental strength and help you maintain motivation throughout the day. Finally, challenge yourself with new experiences. Each time you step out of your comfort zone, you learn something new and add to your confidence. Each of us has a mountain to conquer, a story to tell. Remember, the journey to the summit is not always easy, but the steps you take along the way will shape who you are. Emotions can be your best companion or toughest adversary, depending on your choices. Always maintain your composure, and remember that you are the captain of your life's ship. Don't forget, confidence comes not only from significant achievements, but also from small, meaningful moments. Take a moment to enjoy every little joy with family and friends, as they are your biggest support. Life doesn't come with a perfect script. Only your choices can create a wonderful story. Confidently write your story, and remember, you can achieve anything if you truly believe in yourself.